My name is Teacher Angelica, and you can call me Teacher Angel. I am 25 years old from the Philippines. My little background is I am graduate in Bachelor of Elementary Education, and I also passed the licensure examination for teacher last May 2023. I also have an experience being a primary teacher at Maranatha Christian Academy for 4 months. Teaching is my passion, so I believe that I am the best for you. I can dance, I can sing, and I can act. I also have a different kinds of rewards like this and this for our lesson more interactive, interesting, and fun. What are you waiting for? Book our class with us and see you on our classroom. Thank you.